In this video, you will see how to add a page in Microsoft Word on iPad. To add a blank page, you have two methods on iPad. Let's see each method one by one. First, I will pinch and zoom in to show you that we have only one page. Now to add another page, we just need to tap inside the document until you see the cursor. Then go to the Insert tab and here is a page option. This will insert a page break and will insert a new page. So let's tab on it. So as soon as I tap on the page option, as you can see, now we have this two page and we have inserted a blank page. So this is one method. Another method is just tap inside the document and press this return button multiple times. So it is a enter button and you will get the new page. As you can see, now we have 3 pages because we inserted 2 blank pages. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these playlists if you want to learn Microsoft Word on iPad quickly. See you again in the next one.